Ta-da! Now I got rocker panels and cab corner. No more sticking my boot all the way up to here. So yeah, it's cut in here, new piece welded in, and rocker panel as well. These rocker panel here, which are called slip-on. This is RRP 2948. But yeah, there's two of them. You see the other one is cut up because we did not end up using these. They don't fit right around the corner here when you try to patch it into the existing rocker panel, because there's two ways of doing that. You can do partial, or you can do like a whole complete rocker panel removal. And the complete comes up all the way up to here. It goes around and way up here. And well, it's a lot of money, it's a lot of work to replace, and it did not need that, because it's not a case of crash. It's not been crashed, it's just been rusty. So everything is in line, everything is in its place. So we use another design, which is this one with little dimples. Buy this one. This one fits really great. I'm trying to get the number of them. If I can put that in the description, but if anyone's got a number, they can comment it, and I'll put it in the description. These one only go up to here, but the fit is so nice when you put it on there. Even with the new rocker, the new inner rocker, you put it on there, it fits perfectly. There's no gap whatsoever, like with the other one. The other one would go all the way up here, so that was nice because I had a big hole here, if you remember. So yeah, so I just put that one in, welded it on both sides, and then I made a new piece here and welded that to the body of the truck, and it's solid. I mean, yes, there's bondo, but yeah, it's not bondo over rust, so it's not a problem. It's all fully welded metal on there, so it's perfectly fine. So now all I got to do is prime the insides, because that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just prime inside, finish the inside, spray the insides, then button up all the doors, put all the doors on there with their inside already primed, well painted. So I'm going to finish painting all the insides, and then we put the truck back together and we spray the whole outsides. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to mix a little bit of primer, cover the other cars in here, and shoot some primer on this thing. Okay, so that's it for this week. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.